Hello and good morning to everyone. So our today's lead code question is 1732, which is find the highest altitude. So basically in this question it is given that there is a biker which is going on a road trip, and the road trip has n plus 1 different points situated at different heights or altitudes. So the biker starts his trip at point number 0, which whose height is equals to 0, and now we are given an integer array gain having length n, where gain of i will tell as the net as the altitude gain between the point I to I plus 1, like how much height has changed when we move from I to I plus 1, right, for all indexes from 0 to. And now what we need to do is we need to tell the highest point of the biker's trip, right, that we need to return. So let's see an example. So as we know, our biker is starting from point number 0 with height 0, then gain of 0 will give us the gain gain that we get from point 0 to point 1, that is minus 1 minus 5. So it has reached to point 1 with height minus 5, then from here it has gone to point 2 with height minus 4, then from here it has moved to point 3 with height 1, because the gain is 5, so minus 5 minus 4 plus 5 is 1, then it has moved to point 4 and the gain is 0, so the height will remain the same, that is 1, then from here it has moved to is 5 fifth point, and here the gain is minus 7, so the height will be minus 6. So see which point is the highest point. This has height 0 0 minus 5 minus 4 1 1 minus 6, so these two points are the highest points having height 1, so we need to return the highest height, that is 1, so we return the answer. So let's see the constraints. So here n, which is the number of points, we can say, so the number of points can be 100, right, and each gain in the height can be from minus 100 to 100, right. So let's see the approach part. So as we know, we are given the height of point number 0 in the question, which is equal to 0, and gain of 0 is basically the gain that we get in height when we move from point 0 to point 1. So using, we know the height of this point, we know the gain, so using that gain and this height we'll find the height of point 1, we'll find the height of point 1. So height of point 1 is equal to height of point 0 plus gain of 0, then using height of point 1 and gain 1, that is point 1 to point 2, we'll find height of point 2. So in this way we'll find height of all the points, right. So height of point I plus 1 is equal to height of point I plus gain of I, this is a general formula. So we get height of all the points, and what we want the point with maximum height. So we store the maximum height of that point, right, and then we return the point with the maximum height. So let's see the dry run. So we have this gain array. So initially we know that our current height, that is height of point 0 is 0, and that is our maximum height initially, which is also 0. So we have two variables, current height and maximum height, both having uh, value 0. Now we take the first gain, that is, so first gain is equal to minus 5. So from using that gain we will find the height of the next point, so that will be the current height plus the gain is minus 5, so it will give us the next height as minus 5. Now we compare this height with the maximum gain, so this height is smaller than the maximum height, sorry, so it will remain the same. So this is the height of point 1. Now from point 1 to point 1, how much is gain? 1. So we add that gain to this height, so we get the next height as minus 4. We get the next height as minus 4. Is that height greater than our maximum height? 0. No. still it is not greater than 0. Then we add the next gain, to this point, so it will give us the height of the next point. So the gain is 5 and our current height is -4, so the height of next point will be 1, right? So is that greater than 0? Yes. So we have updated our max height to 1 and our current height is also 1. Now what is the next gain? Next gain is 0, so 1 plus 0, 1. So again the next point is at the same height, right? So max height still will be 1. Then from this point, what is the gain? So gain is -7, so 1 minus 7, that is -6, will give us the height of the next point, that is 0.5. So is that height greater than our max height? No. So still our max height is 1, and now we have reached all the points. So what is our max height? Max height is 1, and that is our answer, right? So using the initial height of point 0 and all the gains and adding the gain every time to it, will find the height of point I, right? And then compare that height of point I with the maximum height, and at the end we get the highest point among the trip, so we return that point, right? So let's move to the code part. So we have taken two variables, max height and current height. Current height stores the height of the ith point, right? And then we know that gain of 0, gain of I, is basically the gain from I to I plus 1, and we already have the height of ith point, so when we add the gain to the height of ith point, we'll get the height of I plus 1th point, so we are adding height of ith point, we are adding gain to it, so we get the height of I plus 1th point, and then we compare the height of I plus 1th point with the maximum height, and if the height is greater than the maximum height, then we update our maximum height, and in this way we will find the height of all the points, and then compare all the points height to the maximum height, and at the end we return the maximum height. So I hope I am able to explain you the solution properly. So if you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.